So World Tiger Imports had a sale going on for their C-grade 1934 contract Mausers. They were selling them for only $2.99, so I couldn't resist. I went ahead and got one of these just to see what I'd get. I didn't have this type of Mauser in my collection, so I wanted to get one. It took about a week to arrive. Pretty happy with what I got. So go ahead and take a closer look at it. The butt's in pretty good shape. It is missing the butt plate, but I don't really see a lot of damage. I will probably have to sand it a bit to get a butt plate to properly fit, but looks good overall. It does have the swivel here for the sling. You can see it's missing some parts of the bolt, but certainly parts I could locate pretty easily. I do also have a spare butt plate that I intend to put on that. Has a pretty good Mauser mark there. It's got the rear sight. It's got both barrel bands and a pretty good amount of finish on the barrel, but the barrel band looks like it's been wire wheeled. So go ahead and turn over. So looking at the other side of the stock, you can see there used to be some kind of rack number there. It's got pretty good markings on it. See the standard model there. It's model 1924. It's got the inspection marks, as well as it looks like the Ethiopian lion there. The barrel does match the receiver. Does have the correct trigger guard as well, and the trigger guard and the floor plate also match the rifle. Moving down the rifle, the wood looks pretty good, and a pretty decent amount of finish left on the metal. So go ahead and look at the bore. So you can see the bore looks pretty good. Can't complain. Just dirty, needs to be cleaned up, but should be a pretty good shooter. So overall, I'd say this is a pretty good buy. I mean, it's missing a few little parts, but other than that, it's complete and the stock's in good shape. So for $2.99, I filled a hole in the collection that I kind of wanted to get something for. So it worked out pretty well. So I'd say if they do offer this deal again, that you jump on it if you're interested in getting one of these. I will need to find a straight bolt if I want it to be 100% correct. In the meantime, the bent bolt should work out fine. So I'll go ahead and break this down, clean it up, and in the future video, I'll show you how that goes, show you how it looks all cleaned up. So if you'd like to be alerted of that, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to drop in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.